Hi guys, today we're going to be working on using math drawings to represent equal groups and using a little bit of repeated addition to show what those repeated groups look like as an equation. So here I have four equal groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, with four dots in each one. Take a moment to count those. So the equation that would represent this picture would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And that would be, I'll give you just a moment to add that up. Okay, so for those of you who got 16, that is correct. That answer would be 16. So this is a great equation to represent this picture, but there is a quicker way to solve this. So what I would do is, instead of four equal groups, we could use something called doubles. So that just means instead of four equal groups, I would now have two equal groups. So what I'm going to do is circle two of my groups with my nice, neat red circles. Okay, so the most important thing here is let's count. We didn't change how many dots were inside of our circles. We just made bigger groups. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have two groups of four. It is now one group. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have another group of 8. So the number sentence or the equation for this problem would be, and I'm sure you all already have it, but it will be 8, 8 plus 8. And do you think that the answer changes because we changed our grouping? The answer does not change. So the answer would be 8 plus 8 equals 16. So that's our new strategy for this week. It's called doubles. It's when you take smaller equal groups and you create them into bigger equal groups so you can have a smaller equation and you still have the same answer. Let's practice one more time. So here I have four equal groups of 5. Let's see. Count the dots in each bubble. And that would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So think of a way that I can solve this problem with to make it a shorter equation. So instead of repeated addition, we can use, that's right, we can use doubles. So I will take my pen and I'm going to instead circle some groups of doubles. So now I have, instead of four groups of 5, I have two equal groups. Let's see how many are in each group. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 10 in one group, and let's count what will be in the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have two equal groups of 5. So what we're going to do now is see how can we make that as an equation. So that would be, we have 10 in this group, and then in our next group we have also 10. And let's first see, what was the answer to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5? Four equal groups of 5 equals 20. Correct. So then let's see what would be our answer to 10 plus 10. Two equal groups of 10 equals 20. So the answer does not change. The only thing that changes is 10 plus 10. Now you have a group of two groups of doubles. Instead of a repeated equation, or repeated number sentence, you now have just two numbers that we're working with. So take a look at your problem set and try to work on these by yourself. Do your best to complete these. And that is it, you guys. I will talk to you soon.